Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. How are you? Today we are back in our journey of learning modern AI Python. We have covered various topics, and today we are going to dive deep into floats and integers. Both of these are type of variables associated with numbers. So let's go. For example, we make a variable for our number. It is called is the age. I can say 25. Now, if I want to know what is the type of this variable, I can simply type is the age, and this will give me that this is an integer. Integer means it is not a decimal number or a fraction, but it is a whole number. Now, for example, I take my height is the height and save it 5.8. Now, if I type what is the type of is the height, it will show that it is a float. So float means something that is in a fraction or displayed in a decimal system. Now there arises a question, what happens when an integer and a float combine together? What will be the result? So let's see what will be the result, how the Python handles it. For example, I divide is the dot height with is the dot age and save this to something called is the dot float. Now we will use the type function to know what is the type of this variable is the float. See, it is a decimal. I'm sorry, I forgot to pass it in a type function. See, so when a decimal number or a float and an integer combine together or interact together, the result will be a float number. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next class.